Good evening. My dad takes a mick out of us because every time I speak I say which I hadn't realised until I watched the last video back, so apologies that I'm not quite as used to being on the camera as my dad is. So I'm going to try not to say You're also catching us in my joggers. I've just done a charity run called Ultimate Warrior. So I've just came in and he's got me in the workshop in order to draw this week's winner. So the winner is Pick Wizard, otherwise known as Steve. So what you've got to do now, Steve, is you've got to get in touch with my dad and he will get your price across to you. So you need to send him an email at the email address and he'll get the price across. So congratulations, Pick Wizard. You're this week's winner. And I'll see you guys next time I'm home, which will be in a few weeks. So thanks for tuning in. As always, don't forget, like and subscribe. Good evening. Happy Sunday.
Thanks for that, Emmy. That was absolutely fantastic. So Steve, all you need to do is send me an email. That's the email address up there, and I'll get this in the post straight away. I'm going to do another giveaway next month. If you want to enter the giveaway, you need to watch the video, like and share it, and in the comment box you've got to write a comment. And all you need to write is 2023 gave away 7. My computer will pick that comment out and it will pick a random winner. So well worth winning. I'm going to show the prizes now, and like Emmy says, thanks for watching. This is one of the prizes for July's giveaway. It's a really nice little finger indicator made by Verdict. It's Imperial. My friend Bob gave us it. He's had it apart and cleaned it and made sure it all works. There's all the little accessories and bits and pieces. Certainly well worth having, even in its nice little case. Also, my friend Rob from Extreme Plasma has done some more cups for us, Doubleboost cups, and the normal set of Cleveland twist drills. Certainly some prizes there, well worth winning.